Good morning, students. We continue with our 7th chapter, The Ransom of Red Chief. In the previous video, we have watched that the child, he makes a speech during supper, and his speech suggests that he has childish nature. Here, then the story moves on. Every few minutes, the boy remembers that he is an annoying Native American, pick up his stick rifle and makes old hand, it means Bill, shiver. Every few minutes, the boy, he picks up his stick rifle and tries to irritate, tries to shiver Bill, old hand. The boy considers himself as a Red Chief and he considers himself as an annoying Native American. So he picks up a stick rifle and makes old Hank shiver. From the beginning, the boy has terrorized Bill. Bill is irritated by the boy from the beginning. Then when Sam asks him if he wants to go home, Sam asks the boy if he wants to go home. In response to this question, he replies that he doesn't want to go to home as there is no fun at home. He likes to camp out. See the reply of the boy. He is kidnapped, and when the kidnapper Sam asks him if he wants to go home, he replies negatively and admits that there is no fun at home. He likes to camp out. Even he requests both of them not to take him his home. So here also we can come to know that the boy enjoys this situation. He enjoys his kidnapping. In the beginning, the boy informs Sam and Bill, as first Bill, that his skin will be removed, and for Sam he said that he will burn at the rising of the sun. So in early morning at dawn, Sam is awakened by loud scream of Bill. He gets up and sees, and what Sam sees, that the boy sitting on Bill and tries to remove Bill's skin with a little knife he had. So at dawn, Sam is awakened by Bill's scream. So he gets up and sees that the boy is sitting on Bill and tries to remove skin of Bill with knife. After that, Sam is unable to sleep as he remembers the words of the boy that he has to burn at the stake. So Sam is not able to sleep as he remembers the words of the boy that he has to burn at the rising of the sun. Then after breakfast, Sam goes to the town for the news concerning Colonel's son being kidnapped. Bill is already terrorized by the boy. He is tired of the boy. So Sam, after breakfast, he goes to the summit to have the news regarding the boy's kidnapping. So when he goes to the town is peaceful. The town is peaceful. It means there is no news he receives regarding the kidnapping of the child. There is no commotion in the summit regarding the kidnap. The people, they are living their normal life, so they do not talk about the kidnapping of Avenger Dorset's son. That is why the town is peaceful. When Sam goes to the summit, to have a news regarding the kidnapping of Avenger Dorset's son, Bill, he has to play various games with the boy, and in those games the boy has terrorized Bill extremely. Bill is fed up. Bill is tired of this boy. So after returning, Sam, he finds Bill very nervous. When Sam returns from the summit, he finds Bill very nervous, and Bill is begging Sam to let the boy go. Bill requests Sam to release the boy. That much he is terrorized by the boy in absence of Sam. When Sam has gone to the summit, during that time, Bill and the boy, they both are playing various games, and in those games, Bill is highly terrorized by the boy, highly irritated by the boy. So when Sam returns from summit, Bill is nervous and he requests Sam to release the boy. After much consideration, after much thought, Sam and Bill decide to write a letter to Avenger Dorset demanding a ransom. They have decided and they write a letter to Avenger Dorset, and that letter is delivered by Sam at one secret place in the near Summit town. When Avenger Dorset receives the letter, after reading it, Avenger Dorset, he writes a letter addressing Bill and Sam, and in that letter he asked for $250 for taking the boy back. Bill and Sam, they write a letter to Avenger Dorset for ransom of $2,000. In response to that, the child's father, Avenger Dorset, he writes a letter to Bill and Sam, and he is ready to take the child back, to take his son back, when Bill and Sam, they will pay $250. So the plan of Sam and Bill, it is totally futile, it is totally useless. It is totally opposite to the desire of Bill and Sam. Bill and Sam, they think that they would be given ransom easily. But after kidnapping, the behavior of the child, that really irritates Bill and Sam, and especially Bill. Bill is highly terrorized by the boy. So he wants that the child, he should be released soon. So they write a letter to the Avenger Dorset and a demand for $2,000. But in response to that, Avenger Dorset writes a letter to them, and he is ready to take his son back for $250. It is strange, but even here we come to know that Avenger Dorset, he is a strong man, he is also a brave man, and he likes to take his son back when he receives $250 from Sam and Bill. When Avenger Dorset, he writes a letter to Sam and Bill and informs them that he is ready to take his son home back, but they have to pay $250. By reading his letter, Bill is joviant. Bill is beyond happiness. Bill is highly happy, as it is an opportunity to be free from the clutches of the boy, because the boy has terrorized Bill extremely. Then Sam and Bill decide to take the child at his home, so they take the boy home. But the boy refuses to come back. The boy refuses to return to his home. And in front of his house, when the boy understands that he is left at home, he holds Bill's leg and tries to bite him. During that time, Avenger Dorset, he tries to hold his son, and then he informs Bill and Sam that Avenger Dorset is able to hold his son only for 10 minutes. This is the indication that within 10 minutes they have to run. Otherwise, he is not able to control his son, and he will run after them. So indirectly, Avenger Dorset informs these two kidnappers that he will keep his son only about 10 minutes. So when the father, Avenger Dorset, he holds his son, during that time Sam and Bill, they run away. So this is about the 7th chapter, the ransom of Red Chief. The whole story revolves around two kidnappers, Sam and Bill, and the boy who is kidnapped by both of them. The boy, he is 10 years old, but he seems not to be afraid of his kidnapping. He enjoys his kidnapping. He plays different games with Bill. He considers himself as the Red Chief. He enjoys camping out. He has terrorized Bill immensely. So Bill is tired of the boy. The plan of Sam and Bill is to get $2,000 from Avenger Dorset as a ransom. But at the end of the story, without taking ransom, they have released the boy. So this is about the 7th chapter, the ransom of Red Chief. Thank you, students.